Hey you guys, this is Jasmine Ashley here, back with another video. I got this super cute, super easy makeup look for you guys. Great, beginner friendly. I hope you guys like it. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and keep on watching. Hey beauty, so basically right here I already had my brows done. I'm about to go ahead and go in with my Kat Von D Deep 78 Neutral. I'm going to use this for my entire face. Again, like I said, this video is just a quick makeup look. I'm not going to be doing any contour. So again, just keep on watching. And again, I'm using the Kat Von D Deep 78 Neutral. And I love this foundation. It's super full coverage, but it's also lightweight, you guys. It's not too thick. Right here, I'm spraying my face down with some Fix Plus from MAC. This helps, which everybody should know about Fix Plus at this point. But this helps basically spread out the foundation where it's not cakey. It's adding some smoothness to it. Right here, I'm using this Real Techniques brush that, of course, I got from either Target or Walmart, one of the two, just to go ahead and spread out my foundation. Also, you guys, with my brows, if you ever want me to do an in-depth brow video, I can definitely do that for you guys, where I get up close and personal with my brows and how I do them. And y'all, this is one of them looks that I do literally if I know I'm in a hurry to go somewhere. I can throw this look together, and I'm only using 3 eyeshadow colors, y'all. 3 eyeshadow colors. Hey beauty, so I'm back again. As you can see, I just pretty much finished spreading out my foundation. Right here, I'm going in with Deep 74 Warm so I can highlight around my eyes and on the bridge of my nose. I'm gonna definitely get under my eyes, and then I'm gonna add a little bit more to my actual eyelid. I'm using this Morphe brush here. Once I get the actual number, you guys, I will put it in the description box below. Like I said again, I'm just not going too crazy with anything today. I am going to highlight under my eyes because I do have some bags, just to conceal those, and I'm going to add a little bit more to my eyelids so that my eyeshadow can have something to adhere to when I go ahead and add my eyeshadow. Again, y'all, like I said, this video is pretty quick, pretty simple. But again, I just wanted to show y'all what I do if I'm in a rush, but I still want to look cute, still want to look put together, and this is what I do. So yeah, keep on watching. Hey y'all, so I'm back. So I know some of y'all probably like she used the foundation for her concealer. Yes, I love how thick it is and it's full coverage. Now I'm going in here with this Fit Me powder. Of course, you get this from any drugstore. I will again go in the description box with all the exact colors and everything that I do use. I'm going to go ahead and just put that underneath my eye, in my under eye, and onto my lid. And I'm not going to put a lot. I'm just going to pat in just a little bit just to set it, so I don't have to worry about any creasing throughout the day. I can say I really do like this powder. It's super fine and it doesn't cake up. Again, me being a darker skin tone and this being a lighter powder, of course I'm not going to go in and cake it on. I'm not going to put a lot, but I'm going to be just enough to set my concealer for my under eye, and that way I won't have to worry about creasing throughout the day. Hey you guys, now I'm going in with my Laura Mercier powder in Deep. I'm going to use this to set my entire face. I love this powder, especially for my skin tone. You know how sometimes you get translucent powders. Just for me, I know some women, some darker skin women can go ahead and get any type of translucent powder and it sets their face perfectly. I know for me, a lot of times I struggle with that cast that a lot of translucent powders leave, but this Deep powder by Laura Mercier is a godsend, y'all, and I love it. If you are a darker skin tone, and even if you aren't, you might just want a little bit of bronzer, or you just might want a little bit of a darker look, go with this Laura Mercier Deep powder. It's the best, y'all. It's the best.
Party all day, every weekend. Make it boom boom to the beat. Make it boom boom boom, boom boom boom. I'm glad to be alive, yeah. Cause I don't wanna waste my time, no. I'm young and dumb and hopeless, right? But I'm bound to turn out alright, yeah. The city's really not my vibe now, so I'm moving out my parents' house, yeah. To go and live another life where my dreams don't lay down and die, yeah. I'll hang out with the folks on screen.
Okay, so here you guys, I'm getting ready to start with the eye look. I'm going to start with this super dark brown look into my crease area. I will show y'all the palette that I'm using, excuse me, and it is by Juvia's Place in 1 second. It will be coming up. I'm using the darkest brown that is in that palette. I'm just going ahead and just doing the windshield motions and circular motions into my crease area. Again, this is just a quick look. I'm not going to be going too crazy with the blending, which I know some people are like, oh my gosh, she didn't blend, but I am blending just enough for what I'm doing for this look. But any other time, I would say take your time with blending, y'all. But as you can see, I'm just doing circular motions, and I'm also doing windshield motions back and forth into my crease area only for this dark brown color.
Still I'm feeling myself.
Fly with the stars so free.
Party all day, every weekend.
Make it boom boom to the beat.
Make it boom, 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 boom.
Fly with the stars so free.
Party all day, every weekend.
Make it boom boom to the beat.
Make it boom, 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 boom.
with the stars, sound free. Party all day, every weekend. Make it boom, boom to the beat. Make it boom, boom, boom.
So hey beauties, this is the palette that I'm using here by Juvia's Place. Again, I will have the name of everything in the description box down below. I'm just showing you the actual colors that I'm using out of this palette. The dark brown color that I showed you first, and then I'm going to be using like this brown taupey type color on my actual lid. And right now I'm just going to go ahead and pat that onto my lid, just patting it on, and I'm also packing the color in. I'm not going to be doing too much like, you know, windshield or circular motions with this. I'm pretty much packing it into my lid, y'all. I'm packing it in.
Hang out with the folks on screen. I'll be chilling in a pot of gold. You should bet your money on me, cause I'm never ever coming home. I'll fly with the stars, sound free. Party all day, every weekend. Make it boom, boom to the beat. Make it boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. Fly with the stars, sound free. Party all day, every weekend. Make it boom, boom to the beat. Make it boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom.
You can call 1,000 times, but I'm not picking up tonight, cause I'm a bit too busy serving all the smiles, having me a real good time, with a drink full of bubbles. It slipped back from my health. Holy shit, I just stumbled. Still I'm feeling myself.
Fly with the stars, so free. Party all day, every weekend. Make it boom, boom.
So now I'm going to go ahead and add one of these golden colors into my inner eye area, my inner tear duct area, I'm sorry. And I don't know, I was just showing you guys different swatches out of that palette to see which one I was going to choose. I went with like the darker golden color right there in the middle, and I'm going to add that to my inner tear duct, and just that little pop of color right there, because the eye is pretty much matte, and I just wanted to add that little bit of spice right there in the corners, just to brighten it up just a little bit. And as y'all can see, y'all will see on my channel, I love a nice cute golden inner tear duct all the time. Like even if I'm doing something super simple, I love putting a little bit of gold shimmer right there in my inner tear duct. I feel like it opens up my eye a lot more, especially if I'm tired. Hey y'all, so I'm pretty much just sitting here like fixing myself up. I'm pretty much done the eye. I am going to go ahead and add a lip. Then I'm going to add a finishing spray. I did want to let you know I got this wig. This is Beauty Forever straight 24-inch wig, y'all. I do just have it up in a bun right now because I didn't really feel like doing anything to it. But this wig is bomb. Y'all can see that party. The baby hair is laid. Y'all only have this laid with bed head holding spray. That's all I have it laid with. I will do a more in-depth video on this wig later on, but again, this is that 24-inch straight lace wig. It is a 13x4 closure, and I love everything about this wig, y'all. There's no complaints. Like I said, it's super cute. It's extra long. It will go straight to the top of your butt. And well, I'm 5'2", so that's where it hits me at. But you guys, right here, I'm just going to go ahead and add a lip. I'm just adding a dark brown pencil. This is from NYX. I believe the color is 920, but don't quote me, you guys. Again, I will put that in the description box below. I'm going to completely line my lips. Then I'm going to add like this peachy nude lipstick, and then some gloss from Bath & Body Works. Y'all don't sleep on their lip gloss. It's the best lip gloss ever. And then after I do that, my lip is pretty much done. And then I'm going to go ahead and go in with this Maybelline setting spray that again you can get from any drugstore. I will put it in the description box down below. And that is it for this video, you guys. Thanks so much for watching. Please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And I hope y'all enjoyed this video. See y'all later. Thanks, beauties.